Good morning. Had to turn the mic on. How is everybody today? Check it out. Boxy with the raid. Thank you so much, my dude. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Boxy, I was enjoying watching your stream. It's relaxing just to watch you make stuff. Okay, so we are down a bit on the day. Starting to recover though. We were way down here when I looked last. But we're on the recovery. We have not locked in any profits today yet though. Which is okay. Can't lock them in every day. Hammer! Hello. Ah, you tease. Alright, so we're down just about 40 bucks on the day. Not a whole lot. Market's been a little choppy today. But overall, let me reset this. Customize list. Reset. Apply. Save my workspace. Oh, gotta change my settings. Hammer, no tease. Gosh, Hammer. Yeah, with my 8 out of 10 as well. No, I'm getting up there. JK. Apply. Get rid of that. Clear my drawing set. There we go. That looks better. Alright. Yeah, we're actually up. It looks like the overall market is actually up today. Just our portfolio's been up and down. But that's okay. Well, more so down and then just recovering. But yeah, overall market's actually been up today. So, oops, wrong one. Wrong tab. There we go. What's the, this needs to be 1. Today's the 3rd. Alrighty, let's go through our list. We want the 4-hour chart. There we go. Oh, I know why. I think we're in on this one already. Let's check. We're probably in on quite a few of these already. We've been buying a lot this week. And last week, I should say. Yeah, we're already in on this one with 8 shares. Let's keep looking. CMI. That's a decent price. Let's see if we have it. We do not. Let's buy this one. Grab a calculator. Oh, I should have known that already. That's simple math. Lols. View order. Buy. Oh, I have to enter my password? I suppose. There we go. Then, let's refresh. Any questions anyone has off the bat today? Oops, that's not what I want to look at. Average price, 225.11. Already forgot it. Shares we want to sell. This is a limit order. All 3 shares. Can I do these methods on stash? Yes. As long as you have a chart, you can do these methods. So, cool beans. Alright, let's keep going. Eek, chart. You're on so late today? What? No, I'm not. I said 10:30 every day. Market opened at 9. Oh, I do mid-morning. I'm doing mid-morning streams for the market. So technically, I am not late. Unless you want me here at market open, then I am late. But good morning, Green. How are you today? Yes, I think I'm already in on this one as well. Mix sleeps all morning, every morning. Not every day. I go to bed at about, I don't know, 12:30, 1 o'clock, sometimes a little later if I'm watching someone stream. And then I get up at, you know, like 9:30-ish. Got her. Well, I can't deny the fact that I don't wake up early like most people that, you know, have a job, because I don't have a real job right now. I am tutoring today. I'll say that. I'm tutoring today. So our gaming stream will not be at the usual time. It'll have to be later. I have part-time incomes like all over the place. I'm trying to build up several income sources. That's what I'm trying to do. That's my job right now. And then, okay, we got in at 87.20. Yeah, okay. So, oh, we want this to be a limit order. All of our shares, 9 shares available. Good till canceled, review, sell. Perfect. Clear that. Okay, let me actually post these orders in the Discord chat for the exclusive membership, just because I do have alerts for all of the orders that I place if you're an exclusive member. Okay. Copy. Paste. Stock was CMI. Hammer, if you're on stash, you could always just copy the trades too if you want. If that's what you're interested in. Or you can find your own trades as well. Either way works. Oops, I have to look at this again. And let me do the second one, then I'll check chat. Sorry, guys. Just bought this one. No, we didn't just buy this one. We did? I thought pretty sure I was already in that one. Let me go look. Oh shoot, we were. Huh. Oh boy. Alright, we're in double on this one. Megsy's made an oopsie. Wait. Yeah. Ah, jeez. Hey, Captain, how you doing today? Welcome in. I wish I could sleep in. Yeah, Hammer, you need this sleep. You don't get enough sleep. About 2% already on the day. Hey, that away, green plate. Let's go. Gotta pop into... Oh, Michael's streaming right now. Bella on stream. Oh, Bella's there. Cool. How you doing today? I'm pretty good. I just made an oopsie, but that's okay. Hammer will steal all information that gives him most monies. True, true. I'm good. Double wins when it goes up. True. Or double dividends. I'll take either. Hey Jenna, how you doing today? Oh. Sorry. I'm having frozen fruit with yogurt and granola. That is a cold strawberry. Okay. How's Jenna today? Okay, well, did I set my... I set a limit order for this, right? Let's cancel both of these. But yes, Boxy, you're right. Even though I made a mistake, hopefully, fingers crossed, when this goes up, we'll just get double. Double the profit. Alright. Take two. Let's do this again. Okay, so our average is 87.51. And 4 shares. We now have 18 shares. There. Where does it say? Oh, here's my limit order. Okay. Anywho. Meg's a stuffing face on cam. I'm sorry, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I'm looking for big cheese. Do you put into each stock? 2% of my portfolio box. I used to do like 3+, so a bit aggressive, and I used to make more per month, right, doing that. But with so much uncertainty these days, with, you know, the pandemic, election stuff, things like that, I'm only doing 2% right now, which is pretty average. Most people only do 1 to 2% anyways of their account. I was just trying to be more aggressive in the past, so 2%'s better. This one has 4% though, because I accidentally doubled it. That's okay. Okay, so we got that one set in place, but let's place that in Market Buy. Here we go. Place it in Discord for the exclusive members. Stock, yes. Average price bought today was 87.82. There we go. High risk, high reward. Yeah, exactly. I don't see it as too high of risk though, because, you know, even if it goes down, we'll get the dividends. Unless they cut dividends. That's like the only risk that we take with this strategy, is them cutting dividends. HD. Decent price. Let's check it out. Home Depot. Just kidding, Home Depot. We are not in on this one. Let's place an order for this one. Looks like we can buy 3. Buy. Done. Refresh page. Hey, Emotionless, how you doing? Long time no see, my dude. Thanks for the sub on, what was it, YouTube, I think I saw? Appreciate that. Okay. Let me place this one in the daily trades. Stock, HD, average price bought. 269.59. Hammer, because you have the exclusive membership, you can see these daily trades, correct? I just want to make sure I set it up correctly. I have a physics test in 5 minutes. Dude, good luck. Physics is hard. At least I always found it hard. Boom. Okay. Let me set my limit. What was that? Oh, that was a Thinkorswim notification. We're good. Okay. Let's calculate this. Yep. 269.59 times. There we go. Limit order. I'm gonna sell this once it hits 275.33. All 3 shares. Good till canceled. And allow to execute during extended hours. Sell. Oops, I just hit my microphone. Sorry guys, that was probably loud. Yikes. Okay. Good there. Let's keep going. HRL. I don't really want to buy it on a green candle, but it is at a good price. Let's see. We're already in on it anyways. Good. Go back to chat here. What did I miss? Not a ton, Hammer. Oh, my sister's calling. 1 second. She literally calls me to tell me something she texted me 2 minutes ago that I just haven't replied to yet. Literally every time, if I don't answer, like reply to her text in 5 minutes, she calls me to tell me the same thing. Okay. Let's calculate this one. Another buy alert here. Stock. HRL. Average price bought. 48.17. There we go. Boy things again. What? You can fuzzle me. No, we weren't talking about boy things. If that's your question. So, limit order. Times. What was that? Hammer, can you see? You're probably driving, aren't you? I was gonna ask if you can see the daily trades, like everything I post in there. Just to be sure I have it set up right on Discord, but you can check when you have free time. I won't make you check it now. Gonna buy 16 shares of this one. Or sell. We already bought 16. Not enough shares. Do I need to refresh? Oh no, we're already in on this one, that's why. Oh my gosh. I keep getting too distracted. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa, that's a big drop. KR. You're not in on this one. Let's buy some shares of this one. $25. Review. Buy. Done. Refresh. Sell. Limit order. Alright, I'm gonna put this one in the chat. This is KR. Average price bought 30.93. There we go. See what CVAC is trading at right now? Alrighty, let's check it out. Oops. Where on that list? Ooh, CVAC is pretty far up there. From a month ago, it shot up 114%. But it's currently trading at 102.24. I would wait for a pullback to buy it personally. Maybe to some previous resistance even. At about 86. Is that? Yeah, right around 86. But it's got a tiny pullback up here as well, but it started going back up already. Yeah, I personally would wait for it to fall back to around levels of 86 at previous resistance before even considering buying in. What are we talking about in Discord? So under the exclusive membership category, I'm just wondering if you're able to see the announcements channel, daily trades channel, and my trading process channel. Just to be sure I set it up right. And then if in the daily trades channel, if you're able to see all the trades. They're going to have big game because they deal with vaccines. Ah, interesting. Are they one of the companies that have a vaccine out that's going to be distributed? Let me calculate this. Yep, I can see the daily trades. Cool, thanks, Hammer. $25. Good deal canceled. Review. Sell. Cool beans. What's next? C. Let's check it out. I got a bunch of that 76. Wow, green. That's awesome. Have you sold any of it yet? Or are you still waiting for it to go up? I mean, it sold at least like some shares of it. We aren't in on this one either. Looks like we're buying this one too. We're buying a lot lately. Probably also like 3 shares of this one. 4. We can get 4. Buy. Done. Refresh. But they might max out at 250. Wow. That'd be really cool. I saw your post for yesterday in daily updates. Yeah, Hammer, I post like my profits each day in the daily updates for everyone. But I post the detailed buy and sell stuff in the daily trades for the exclusive membership. Does that make sense? Okay, we just bought Lank, however you say it, at an average price of 166.76. There we go. Yeah, we're buying a lot lately. We need some stuff to sell. Yeah, that's a good prediction, Green. I'll have to keep an eye on that one. I missed out on a good buy, but yeah, I personally would like to see a pullback first before I considered even buying into it, though. That's just me. Oops, we need a limit sell on here. Limit order. Oops. Okay, so this one was 166.76. So you have 8 videos for me to watch? It's like 8 or 9, I think. I need this. There we go. Review, sell. Boom. There we go. Let's keep going down our list. That's got a big green candle on it. I don't want to buy on a big green candle. Here's a big red candle right here. PG. Procter & Gamble. We're already in on this one. So that means that's probably down quite a bit today. Let's keep going. Not far enough down enough for me to buy. I'd consider this one, SPGI. S&P Global. Interesting. Not in on this either. Okie dokie. Meg, you look like you just woke up. What, really? I'm actually not even tired. Sorry. Am I boring you? Is that what's going on? 330. We can buy like 2 shares of this. Done. Refresh. Limit order, sell. Alright, let me post this in the Discord. Stock. SPGI. Price bought. 330.28. Ooh, that's really low. This could potentially be a day trade. Just a heads up. I mean, I guess no, I'm saying it in a nice way. Oh, well, thank you. I don't know. I guess I've never taken that as a compliment, but I'll take it. Thanks. Does that mean I look like I got some good beauty rest or something? Is that what you're saying? I know my hair is back today. Hopefully I don't look like a boy. It's in like a half pony bun thing. But in case Megs did just wake up like 5 minutes ago. She sleeps all the time. Shut up, Hammer. No. I get a good amount of sleep. 8 to 9 hours. I don't sleep all day. Okay. 330.28. Right. Double check. Yep. 32.96. Shares. 2. Sell. Done. There we go. Oh my gosh, I keep hitting the microphone. Sorry, guys. Hey, Hammer, no swearing. This is family friendly. Gosh. Gotta yell at you. what else we got? Almost done with the list here. UL. At a good price. Oh my gosh, we've been buying so much the past couple days. Oops, that wasn't the right one. Unilever. There we go. We don't have this one either. Wow. Alright. Let's buy more of this. Or some of this, I should say. You can get 13 shares of this. Remember, we always want to buy in whole numbers. Because we can't set limit orders on fractional shares. And we want to be able to set limit orders so that we don't have to constantly be watching our phone to know when to sell. Okay, we just bought this one. Hammer, you're going to have a lot of notifications today in that daily trades chat. Or for any other exclusive members as well. Oops, stock. UL. Average price bought. 770. This one's a little better. Alright, calculate this one. Shares 13, review, sell. Done. There we go. Few more to look at here. What is the reason? Wait. I spelled shut wrong. Oh. Well, I had to delete it, Hammer. Can't even delete my message. I know, dude. Why don't they let you delete your own messages? Like, if you can delete any other message, why can't you delete your own? Doesn't make sense. What's the reason you don't win them? Giveaways for one reason. Oh. Yeah, why don't you like them then? WEC looks like a good buy here as well. Oh, we're already in on this one. Good. I'm kind of relieved. There we go. That does it for the day for our stock scan. Let's save our workspace. Alrighty. Go back to Robinhood here. See how the portfolio is looking. Like there are a lot of... I need more power. Dude. Heading to doctor. Do you want Tucker? Sure. I'll take Tucker. Then we gotta go enter all these into our spreadsheet. 130 on this. Okay. Ooh, we're dropping again on our portfolio today. Minus 138. There's a lot of people doing it, then you have a lower chance of getting it basically cash grab. True. You don't have to enter the giveaways though if you don't want to. Yeah, giveaways are usually free to enter. 5 star more for pay to enter, yes. Oh, my spreadsheet. Truth or Dare. You gotta pay for those. Gotta pay channel points for a Truth or Dare. Alright, let's enter in all of our buys for today. We still haven't sold any of these for this month, although it's only the 3rd, but that's okay. History. Alright. Let's see. Bought that. Here we go. CMI buy. CMI. Bought 3 shares at 225.11. Then we bought ES. We bought more shares of ES. Where's that one? Here it is. We now have 18 of these at I actually have to look at the stock itself. We're at $87.51 for an average price, which actually went up. Boo. There, now you redeemed truth. Do you enjoy playing with your viewers? Of course. Of course, that's why I have days where I play with my viewers and followers. Otherwise, if I didn't enjoy doing it, then I wouldn't do it. Ask some deeper questions than that. Hey, he can spend his points on what he wants. Oh, here. Limit sell. Home Depot. $269.59. Kroger KR. About 25 shares at $30.93. Come here. Oh, you're a baby. Did you know that? You're a baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, big yawns. You tired? That kind of tickles. Oh, sorry, buddy. Ooh, are you sneezing? Are you sneezing? Oh, belly rubs. Belly rubs. There, you guys got a free Tucker. You didn't even have to pay channel points. Right? Right? Look how cute you are. Are you a cute puppy? You a cute puppy? Yeah, you wanna lay down? Lay down. Down. Good boy. Good boy. You guys can see him in the background. He is so cute. He needs a haircut. He's going in a couple weeks for a haircut. He also needs a bath. Hey, Herein, how you doing today? Welcome in. Yes. You guys got a free Tucker. Didn't have to pay. Free Tucker on stream, I should say. And we bought Clank, however you pronounce the ticker symbol. 4 shares at $166.76. We got SPGI. We have 2 shares of that at $330.28. And then we bought UL. We got 13 shares of that at $57.70. Perfect. Those are the buys for today. Hopefully some of these will sell soon. We have a lot in our portfolio right now that needs to sell. I'll be AFK in GTD class. Sounds good. Sounds good. Appreciate the lurk. Doing one here. I'd be careful about the wording on your Patreon. Just a word of advice. What about it? Which part of the wording? To a legal action at the tier 3 description as it's worded now. Really? Let me check. Cheers. Just with the copying of my trades or something? Spooky Saturday for Phasmophobia or Scary Saturday? I don't know. I kind of have Skyrim Saturday planned out right now. But probably Spooky Saturday. You cannot offer or suggest stock placements or copying trades, correct? This constitutes financial advice. So if I put something in there, kind of like a disclaimer, saying like, hey, I don't have, you know, I'm not a CFA or anything, so any trades you take... Oh, hi Tucker. 1 second. Doc wanted out. So if I were to put a disclaimer in here about that, would that be okay? That's just no disclaimer. Not should you have placed. If you place financial advice, what you need to do is feel free to do with this information what you want. To do is say, this is what I do. So if I were to say, note, this is what I personally do. You are free to do with this information what you want. I am not a CMA/CFA. This is my personal strategy that I trade. This is my trading history. It does not constitute financial information, nor should you take it as financial advice. I'm not licensed. Oh, okay. Thank you. I appreciate that so much. Note. This is my trading history. It does not constitute financial information, nor should you take this as financial advice. I am not a licensed financial planner or professional. If I could spell. Okay, thank you so much, Girion. I really do appreciate that. The last thing you want is SEC? Exactly. I really appreciate that. Thank you for saving my butt. Let me copy this now. Then let me post this on the other place I have the description as well, just on Discord here. Oops. There. Da. Be able... Wait. Delete that sentence. After save that. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Put this on all media wherever market trends have been explained in any fashion. Okay. Thank you. I would look up templates for this legal verbiage online. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I will definitely look into that for sure. Don't need that second note then. Oops. Saved here. There we go. Okay, yeah, I'll look to put that on all my social media then. Thank you. Trying to help out? Yes, I really do appreciate that. Okay. That wraps it up, excuse me, for my trading session, unless anybody has any questions or anything. This would be the time for that. Otherwise, if nobody has any questions, we'll go ahead and wrap up our live stream for today. A leverage scheme, or am I missing something? Not a leverage scheme. I mainly just use the VWAP indicator. Buy it low, so when it goes up. I can't right now since I'm driving. No worries, Hammer. You can message me later. No, I don't use leverage at all. Just what I have for my portfolio. The typical buy low, sell high. It's pretty solid strategy. Do you have a technical CS background? Honestly, it's just a passion of mine. I've been studying stocks for like 4 years now or so. I started like the super basics about 4 years ago. Started buying a course, things like that. I've taken probably like 4 courses since, and I didn't really find a strategy that I like, that I feel fit my style of trading that I was looking for. So it wasn't until this year I finally found a strategy that I felt worked for me and has worked for pretty much since I seriously started trading this year. And so I wanted to start sharing that with others as well. But no technicals behind it, honestly. Just a passion and research. But yeah, and I don't set stop losses either. I know that's probably controversial, but the reason being is because these stocks are all backed by a good history of dividend payouts. And so when I don't set stop losses, if our stock goes down, I'm not worried about it because we're, you know, super likely to get paid dividends anyways. I mean, the chances of these companies cutting their dividends these days, I guess, is more likely than it would be. But, ooh, thank you. But no, I don't set stop losses simply due to the fact that we are backed by dividends. So, yeah, this is the best strategy I found that fits my style of trading. And so, yeah, I just want to share that with people. And show them the power of compound interest and everything as well. I got a drink from Duncan. Let's see how it is. She's right. That is really sweet. They made the drink wrong. Yeah, Herein, are you a CFA or CPA or anything? You're doing great, to be honest. Realized gains for a 6+ month. Win loss looks great. Finding what works best for you from both technical perspective is what most people realize. Yeah, I appreciate that, Herein, a lot. Once I realized, you know, my results for the year, I was like, wow, like I could probably really do something with this. And, you know, I'm hoping that it'll continue in the direction it's going. Now see for quant derivatives. Wow. That's really impressive. honestly, I probably would have done something like that just because, you know, it's such a lucrative degree. But I just don't think I have the brain for it. But good for you, Garion. That's awesome. But, you know, it's really just the power of compound interest that draws me to the market and everything. And that's why I have a passion for it, because I know, you know, there's no limit on what you can make. You're not too far off. It takes a bit of elbow grease. I don't have a standard background in it either. Yeah, no worries. Not many people do. But, you know, I feel I finally found the right path, you know, after years of studying. And I'm really grateful for it, honestly. I really needed it to come around at the time that it did. And so I've been really grateful for that. And it's something I want to share. And I honestly think, you know, $12 a month for sharing a trading strategy is a really good deal. From the snake oil, there's way too much scummy stuff. Oh, absolutely there is. The get-rich-quick schemes and everything, that's not what I'm selling. Mine is just growth over time. Trust me, I've fallen for a couple of those. A little greedy. But, what was I saying? Oh yeah, for $12 a month, I think it's a really good deal because, you know, for monthly memberships for, you know, stock courses or alerts or things like that, the cheapest I've seen is anywhere from like $24 to $100 as a price range. And, you know, lifetime courses are typically at the cheapest $200. So I think for $12 a month, especially for beginners, is a pretty good deal. I want it to be super affordable as well. I just feel for the time and effort that I've put in to, you know, making the videos, testing strategies, things like that, that's worth something. So I still think that, you know, it's of value, but it's still affordable enough, especially for those who are just getting started. And it's a pretty safe strategy, I would say, just because it's backed by dividends and everything. It's kind of like, what I call it is an accelerated dividend reinvestment portfolio trading strategy in a way. Just because you're locking in profits more often than you would be in a dividend reinvestment portfolio. Oh my gosh, Green. You are so generous, dude. Thank you so much. Keep going with it, Meg. You're doing great. Maybe one day I'll put you on the payroll and ditch one of my guys. Oh, that'd kind of be a dream, honestly. You never know. I appreciate that, though, Green. I really do. Thank you so much. That was green plate, by the way? Yeah. I said green. Sorry if that came off as Urian. Too kind. Yes, he really is too kind. He's been so supportive. If you're very, very interested in entering the big league grind game or move into larger, with signals is the way to go. A couple of my friends were hired by funds for their individual performance, just like how you're doing. Yeah, that's true. Honestly, though, with this, like, doing this for a living is my dream job. I don't really want to work for anyone, but if I could do some things on the side where I'm still, you know, my own boss, I think that would be really cool. Just gifted 1,000 bits. Yes, he did. Yeah. Isn't that so awesome? He was so kind to me yesterday as well. He's been too generous. I appreciate it, though. I really do. Really, really do. Any other questions, anyone? Otherwise, I think we're gonna pretty much wrap up stream here. Girian, again, thank you so much for the advice. I really do appreciate that. And I hope to see you around, honestly. If you want to talk or anything anymore, feel free to follow any one of my Discords and shoot me a direct message or anything. And we can talk more. I'd love to talk. I'm always down to talk stocks and stuff and trading with anybody. Don't tell my accountant. My lips are sealed. Rooting for you, all the best, and chase that alpha for sure. Thank you, Girian. I really do appreciate that. I really do. Come in here, helping me out. You know, not everyone has the heart to do that, so I do appreciate that. Thank you. But let's go find someone to raid, you guys. Spread some love and stuff. Looks like Michael is on. Crow, welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. Yeah, looks like Michael's on. Let's go raid my friend Michael. We've been friends for a while. We're friends in real life as well, so let's go raid him quick. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be on again same time tomorrow, 10:30 Central Time, for another live session. Yes, thank you all for joining the stream, for your support, for your kind words, your advice, your generosity, and everything. Money is better shared. I agree. You know, generosity is key. You know, if you've got the money to share, it always feels good to share it. But yeah, I'll catch you all. Oh, by the way, for games today, since I'm tutoring, it'll be pushed back. I don't know what time I'll get home exactly, but I'll keep you guys updated in the announcements. So I'll either stream late afternoon and or early evening after dinner. So I'll keep you guys with those who deserve it. True, you gotta add that part, Hammer. I'll keep you guys updated though in the announcements in the gaming Discord to see when I get home from tutoring. Basically, it's not a set time. It's kind of just when we get done. So let's go on this raid, and I'll catch you guys all later today or tomorrow, hopefully, in our next stock market live stream. But yeah, thank you everyone, and take care.